Hey guys, are you having trouble sending messages on Instagram? Have you been experiencing the frustration of being unable to communicate with your friends and family for the past few days? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix your issue with Instagram not sending messages. I'll provide step-by-step instructions that will help you to get your messages back up and running again quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, we will open our Google Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, you have to open up the Apple App Store. So you have to check if you are using the latest version of Instagram app. If you are not using the latest version, you simply have to update it because updates fix these kinds of issues with the app. Once you have updated your Instagram app, for this purpose you have to search for Instagram, and from here right next to Instagram, there you can see the option of update if you are using the old version, otherwise it will say is open. So once you have updated your Instagram app, check whether or not the issue has been fixed. If it didn't fix your issue and you still can't send messages, then you simply have to delete your Instagram app from your phone and then reinstall it. If your Instagram app has any bugs or corrupted data, this will clear all of those things and you will get a new fresh version of the app ready to go. But if you are still encountering this issue, then you have to open up the Instagram mobile application and you have to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to tap on the three lines at the top and you have to go to settings. From here you have to simply select the help option and then you have to go to the first one named as report a problem. Then you simply have to click on report a problem without shaking. Now all you have to do is that you have to briefly explain what's going on. Just tell them that you are having issue and can't send messages for 3 days and tell them to please fix as soon as possible. Also, you can tap on upload button and attach a screenshot of your issue. After you have done all, simply tap on next at the top right corner of the screen. Submit this report. So hopefully the Instagram team will look into your issue and fix it for you within a day or two. Bring me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.